Welcome back to Closing Bell on the Monday, the last week of March. And guess what? The VIX is below 18 just now. Not below 18, below 19. So it's 18.88, good number. Chinese love 1888. It means one, get rich, get rich, get rich. 1888 is a lucky Chinese number. I like it. So with the VIX low, the market is starting to get very boring. So slow, there's no momentum, but that's where the market should be. Especially with news like ARK Invest releasing $3,000 Tesla. Folks were hoping today for Tesla to jump another 20%. I'm glad it didn't. I'm glad it settled around about 4-5% because people with stimulus checks starting to buy Tesla based on the news. Mainly retail investors who are trying to catch up with the Tesla averaging now. But now this is really good news for me. I find with the VIX low, it's good news. It's boring, but that's what investing should be. Investing in stocks price should go up based on data like their quarterly earnings. If a company beat their earnings and Christmas coming up and they start spiking up, if they miss the earnings, they drop back down 2-3%. That's what the stock market should be, not this great over the moon, to the moon. That's why I see on Twitter every day, every single day. Somebody will go and say a stock will go to the moon. Lucid will go to the moon. Man, just finish building bloody factories before you start going to the moon. That's what we want to see business to do. Because at the end of the day, stock investing is not just about price action. It's not about price jumping 10-20%. It's about the business model. It's about the business quarterly earnings. Think about it. Tesla, ARK Invest released Tesla going 10 million cars in 2025. I'm not debating, but what I want to see is not them bring out 10 million cars. I want to see how they're going to deploy factories, or perhaps the factories bring new equipment and modularity, trying to produce more cars in a single line. That's what I'm excited about. I'm not excited about the price action. Yes, I want to retire in 2025 and I would love them to have 10 million cars. But it's the business journey they go into. Because I'm an engineer myself. I've worked in projects where we built a facility plant and it took about 3 years before we completed part of the project on a plant itself. So some of these things takes time. I appreciate it. So if companies and hypergrowth stocks now starting to dampen down, it gives them time to go sideways. You know, all the values are going to go sideways. Look at CrowdStrike. Look at all the hypergrowth chart are going sideways. It gives them time to expand, to grow, to put money and invest in HR, human resource, to bring more quality skilled people into the job. So hopefully with this recovery time, it helps people's employment, it helps company to grow again, not just this spike up and down like Jack and the Beanstalk every single week. So I like it. I'm happy. It gives me time to save money. But before into the details, what I'm going to do is look at this chart, okay? Think about it. VIX was high when the Treasury yield jumped 1.6%. Everybody panicked about interest rates. But remember, Jerome Powell said that he will try to help the country grow, economic data grow, employment down before he wants to raise interest rates. And look, this chart brings some really good news in such a short time. So 1.6 is spiked up to 32. VIX was high, 32, 33, 34. And now it's starting to gradually go down. Even when the interest rate Treasury at 10 years went up to 1.7%, it's starting to gradually go down. So people are starting to accept that we're going to get interest rates eventually. Tech stocks will eventually still grow but not spike. So it helps with the VIX low and the Treasury yield, it helps to dampen the excitement of these growth stocks into crazy steroid mode. So this is great news. It's time to just see business grow on its own. So I'm happy about it. But the other thing that I'm actually watching more often now is the cryptocurrency market. Back in December, I did say that, oh, I have to move my portfolio about 3-5% of crypto in Christmas. Back then, Bitcoin was I think about $18,000 to $14,000. I missed the train because I was focusing so much on the growth stocks. Now it gives me an opportunity to save up and start buying on a weekly or monthly basis on the stocks on cryptos like Bitcoin, ADA, Ethereum. That's the one I want to focus on. I want to learn as well on the way there. And now it gives me more time to look at crypto. So I'm quite excited. I'm quite happy. I'm happy the fact that we're not going to see more to the moon stocks, to the moon. So hopefully, fingers crossed, the VIX will stay this way. But if the VIX do spike again, take opportunity to buy on the dip. But if not, you can just sit on the side and watch, because most likely you watching this, you already bought enough stocks at a fairly good price and just let the year run it through, especially good quality stocks. So this is for me. I just want to keep it clean, nice and neat to announce that we're going to be in cruise control VIX under 19.99 mode, hopefully averaging up to 16 over the year, and then we can just focus on other avenues like saving money, spending time with family, reading up, and watch quarterly earnings of this company stocks in this great recovery year of 2021. Thank you very much for watching on a Monday. Hopefully I'll share more information like this in future. But for now, have a good day.
I hope you enjoyed that video.
Please like this video.
And subscribe to the channel.
Please press the bell button. Ding dong.
Finally, watch the recent video up here. Bye bye.
Bye bye.